Hi everyone, so today I'm actually going to be showing you how to make my high immunity tea. So the first thing that I did was I heat up some water alongside with lemon juice and I put some lemon zest inside. I boiled it and I let it cool down. And what I'm going to do with this is I'm just going to pour it into my cup like so. And in case any of it pours on your counter, you're able to clean it up afterwards. So this is the first thing that I do. And what I do afterwards is I put a series of ingredients in my tea. And the first thing that I start off with is turmeric. So turmeric actually has a wide array of properties that are very good for your body. It is antiseptic, it is a natural antibiotic, and it could be used to clean the inside of your liver itself. And in general, you want to put a good amount, not that much, but as you can see here, this is the amount that I put. And afterwards, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of pepper. Now, I'm going to leave a link in the description down below, but the combination of turmeric and black pepper is actually good because it activates a chemical compound which can be used with your body so you can digest it more naturally. So I'm just going to put a little bit inside. Actually, we're going to put just a little bit more. And the next thing that I'm going to put is coconut oil. So with our coconut oil actually has a wide array of beautiful features. So first and foremost, it is very good when it comes to cleansing your body. It has a lot of beautiful features when it comes to, first and foremost, providing healing properties to your skin and to your inside of your organs. So I'm actually going to use this other spoon right here just to put it inside. And as you can see, we're only going to put a little bit, about 2 teaspoons worth inside. So I'm just going to make sure that goes in right over there. Gonna put this down. And lastly, for dried spice, I'm going to add a little bit of cayenne pepper. So cayenne pepper has a little bit of a kick to it, and it's very great when it comes to digestion itself. And believe it or not, a lot of people don't know this, cayenne pepper actually has an ingredient that is very similar to vitamin C. So it is very good for your body and it helps you digest. So I just ended up putting a small little spoon of that. Now, once you make your tea, you're going to realize that the color doesn't look that appealing. But trust me, guys, it is so good for you and it will help when it comes to increasing not only your immune system, but also your metabolism as well. And finally, for taste, and also for a lot of health benefits, I'm going to be using raw honey, which you could pick up at your nearest Whole Foods or Trader Joe's. So there is actually not a lot of honey left, so I'm going to be taking the remainder of it. And as you can see, I'm just putting about a spoonful, and I am just going to put that in. And I'm just going to begin to mix like so until I feel all the ingredients are deeply mixed and nothing is sticking together. Just because you have the mixture of the coconut oil, the lemon water that we boiled,